Hello parents. Today let us understand the Zen habit of responding and not reacting. This wonderful tool of responding can take you a long way in your journey of parenting. Let us take a situation of emergency. You have traveled somewhere outside and got a wonderful exotic showpiece which you have kept in your living room. The child, while playing, breaks this showpiece, which you really like. Usually as parents, we end up reacting, which means we shout and yell at the child, worsening our relationship with the child. This happens in the moment of reaction. We later feel guilty for shouting on the child, but the moment once gone is gone forever. The Zen habit of responding lies in doing the following things. The moment a situation of emergency like this arises, a response from the parent should be, we first take a deep breath because we want to work out of a logical brain and not our emotional brain. Then go next to the child and make sure that the child is okay and the child is not hurt. In the process, we will teach the child to show empathy to the people around him or her. The next step is to tell the child not to dwell on the mistake, which means mistakes do happen and in the longer picture, they're just small mistakes and not to keep dwelling on it. So in the bigger realm, it is just a showpiece and it is okay to let go. The third thing that we need to teach children is to take charge of the situation, which means find a solution. The solution is to both work together and clean up the entire place. And the fourth thing that we need to teach the child is to not repeat the same mistake by being more careful. By responding, you develop a better relationship with your child because you are working out of your logical brain and not your emotional brain. This will strengthen your bond with your child. Happy parenting.